Hello guys, I'm the randomizer and today is part 2 of opening Pokemon and stuff, whatever. Sorry if I sound different, because I have an expander in my mouth shoved in for 6 months. Um, Today we're going to be opening this. There she is, right there. A beauty. And yeah, gonna be opening it, I guess. That was easy to open. Alright, so we got this right here. Um, Here's the code if anybody wants it. Right, we're gonna be opening some packs. This is the first one. Ooh. I got a town store, Kappa, Sakid, Clefairy, Crabapple, Gubrup. I'm not saying it. Soul Rock, Houndoom, Granbull, Bounce Sweet, Tomato, NT, Basic Energy. Here's the code. Second pack is this one. Alright, so we have oh my gosh. Hoppip, Macahuchia, Pinkachibi, Dino, Vigoroth, Pinkachibi again, Kakalo, Fletching, Converse Squire. Oh my god, this looks kind of cool. I got a Skeledite. What? I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh my god, this metal in my mouth. Got Basic Energy. Here's the code. This is the first pack, I guess. We got Dino, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Watilo, Dunaspores, Putup. I can't pronounce this. Oh my gosh. Balcona, Noibat, Chiyu EX. Wow, that's actually kind of cool. Did they collab with Chinese? Because why isn't there some Chinese? I'm not racist. I'm not racist. Don't ban me. Yeah, a jump left. Basic Energy. Here's the code. let's do this pack since I like I forgot what the Pokemon's name was on that. I think it's I forgot. Anyways, got Elekid, Vanillish, Onyx, Tin Katink, Technical Machine Devolution, Exocloud, Mela, Zubat, Bellathorn. It's actually a cool design. Got another oh my gosh, my metal! Cheese. And then we got a basic energy. Here's the code. Let's do this one. Got a Frog Dagger, Emush, Applin, Nose Pass, Sandslash, Iron Bundle Future, Lucian, Diplin, Propass. I don't know how to pronounce this name. And it's gonna be, here's the code. Let's open up this pack. What's some ASMR? Yeah, there's ASMR. I'm not in the ASMR channel. We got. It sounds like the N word, so I'm not pronouncing that name. Gligar, Blitbug, Fuecoco, Orthworm, Absol, Simisear, Pinsig, Professor Turbo Scenario Future, Gorglank, Basic Energy. Here's the code. I'll wait this one because it looks cool. Here's the code. Oh my god, oh, I do? Iron Thorns? Wait, this is not, is this good? Iron Thorns? I'm not sure. Basic Energy. Golef. Glen. Metan. Newsleaf. Declare. Future Booster Energy Capsule. Iron Hands. When they had future stuff? Am I missing out? Fortress. Wow, this is actually a realistic picture. It looks like Pokemon Go. Got Luna Kleis. 9 minutes, dang. We got a Shroomish, Wiggly Tongue, Colorbatch, Slugma Balls, that's a joke, Heavy Bolton, Ivy Bolton, Sandy Shocks, wow, I forgot, Toladude, Kino, and Iron Voliti. Basic Energy, here's the code. Okay, let's do a lightning round since the last one. I'm gonna time myself. Time me right now. Ready, set, go. Alright, we got a Chansey, Tangela, Clefairy, Shinx, Willaboom, Handheld Fan, White PQ, Spinarak, Witwick, Alakazam, Basic Energy, here's the code. Alright, that's it. Alright, and remember, I can't wait to see you on No Man Day and on No Man Time. That's it, goodbye.